Come on, Pixie. Come on, puppy. Let's go. I'm gonna stop in here and get some burgers for Meisel. Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, you can't bring the dog in here.
She's a service dog.
Do you have the documentation for it?
No, but she's my companion animal.
I'm sorry, this is an eating establishment and I can't have your dog in there in case if other people are allergic.
Well, she is my companion animal.
I understand that, but per USDA rules, I cannot allow you to bring your pet in with you.
This is ridiculous. I'm gonna call the police.
Okay.
Come, Pixie. Yeah, my name is Sarah Carson, and I'm at Horny Burgers in Mirror Park, 434 West Mirror Drive, and they are refusing me entry with my service animal. That's right. They are being very discriminatory, and I do not appreciate it. You need to send a police officer down here. She is a service animal. By the ADA Act, they have to allow her in. You need to send a police officer down here. My boyfriend is a police officer. I know the law. Send a police officer out here. That's what I thought.
Holy shit, this is awesome.
He's like, it's not a police matter. I'm like, send me a fucking cop, Kirkham.
You have mastered the art of the Karen voice.
I try anyway. That's a good girl. Pee on the mean man's lawn. And I'm gonna leave a terrible Yelp review, and no one's gonna eat here again. I'm gonna tell all of my Instagram followers.
Oh yeah, all the bots and everything too.
I have 100% pure content. No bots on my Instagram feed. I don't know what pornography you look at on there. Oh, good, here he is. Here's Boots. Oh, good, the police are here. Thank God.
Hello.
This man is illegally denying me entry into this restaurant with my service dog.
Okay. Have you ever been here before?
What? No, but that doesn't matter. I have a service dog.
Are you from here?
No.
Where are you from?
I live in Rockford Hills.
Okay. Alright, let me talk to him for a minute. You wanna come over here, man?
Yeah.
What's up, bud?
Are you from here?
All I'm doing is the standard restaurant owner thing of not allowing pets or whatever in, because per my FDA and USDA guidelines that I gotta follow, like the sign on the door that I gotta have. and she's all been out of shape about it.
Yeah, okay. I mean, I hear you. When it comes to service dog, it's a little different. I mean, you have the right to refuse anybody. I mean, you don't have to have a reason.
I asked her if it was a service dog. She said yes, and I said, "Do you have the documentation?" And she said no, but so.
Okay.
So that's all.
There it
that
is.
conversation Went, so.
Yeah, so, what are you wanting done?
If she wants to come in a restaurant, she can leave the dog in the car. Otherwise, she can move on. It doesn't hurt. No skin on my back either way.
Okay. Are you the manager?
Yeah, I'm the manager.
Yeah, okay. Alright, man, let me talk to her. I mean, you can go back doing your stuff if you want.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. What was your name?
Sarah.
Sarah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, you said this is your service dog?
Mm-hmm. It's my companion animal, Pixie.
Okay, so is it a service dog or is it a companion animal?
It's my companion animal. She's my service dog. My emotional support dog.
And who provided the... I mean, you ain't got to tell me none of this, but who provided it to you?
No one provided it to me. I got her at the pound like 4 years ago.
Okay.
She's just the sweetest little dog.
Yeah, I see that. I imagine she is. So, I mean, the business has got... Sorry,
I really want to
the
rob the
business has got
firefighter next to
all
me.
rights to refuse you services, and which they're doing. So if you want to take the dog in, they'll happily provide you with a meal if you leave the dog on the vehicle. But I mean,
But
is
ADA
it really...
guidelines say that they have to let service animals in.
Right? Do you have the documentation for the service animal?
Well, no, but she's
Okay.
still my emotional support animal.
Right. You can't just pick up a dog and say it's a service animal. That's not how this works.
Well, I don't see why not.
But here's the deal. Either you can go to another restaurant that's gonna allow you to bring the animal in, and then you ain't got to deal with all this stuff. I mean, are you really wanting to give a business money that is not wanting to allow you to bring a dog in?
I suppose not.
Yeah. So, I mean, my advice to you would just go to a different restaurant. I mean, if they're not going to provide you with a meal because of a dog, and your dog, you say it's your service animal, then what's the point?
I suppose that's true.
Yeah.
Okay. Very well then. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll
Yep,
make sure
be
I tell my
careful, sir.
boyfriend that I met a really nice cop in Mirror Park today. He's a police
Yep.
officer too.
Oh yeah, where at?
Polito Bay.
Who's that?
Matthias Meisel.
Uh,
Oh, do you know him?
nah, I've just heard through the grapevine stuff, but yeah.
Yeah,
I
he's
mean,
so brave.
Yeah, I imagine he is, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you be careful, okay?
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yep. Make sure you wash the vest.
All right. Wait a minute. Did you follow me on Instagram?
I very much do not.
Ah, shit.
Come along, Pixie.
Favor shame. My vintage 93 TV totally kicked the bucket.
That was hilarious.
No, it was classic, man.
Apparently, my job today is the douchebag manager.
No, you didn't do anything wrong that time. Make sure you wash the vest.
Do what?
Did you see the pictures I posted earlier?
Yes.
He said, make sure you wash the vest. And I'm gonna leave a terrible Yelp review, and no one's gonna eat here again. I'm gonna tell all of my Instagram followers.
Oh yeah, all the bots and everything too.
I have 100% pure content. No bots on my Instagram feed. I don't know what pornography you look at on there. Oh god, I was still in the 911 channel.
Oh boy.
So was Kirkham.
So Kirkham's confused as shit right now.